Hello, Namaste. I'm Dr. Sindhura. You know me through Srikari Ayurvedic Education Center. We have planned a series of videos on common presenting complaints in pregnancy and its home remedies according to Ayurveda. So, among this video series, today's video is about gastrointestinal complaints in a pregnant woman and their home remedies. The most common presenting complaint related to the gastrointestinal tract in a pregnant woman is indigestion. For this, what you can do is take 5 grams of cumin seeds, 5 grams of coriander seeds, 5 grams of dry ginger, add 80 ml of water to this powders, make a thick decoction, reduce it to half, make it to 40 ml and drink that 40 ml in the morning 7 am and in the evening 7 pm. The second thing what you can do for this indigestion is radish soup. Take the vegetable radish, cut it into small pieces, add some water to this radish, boil it till it reduces to half. After proper boiling, mash these pieces of radish properly, add some salt, add some pepper, filter it properly and drink it. Second most common complaint of a pregnant woman related to the gastrointestinal tract is burning sensation in the throat, in the chest region and in the stomach. So for this what you can do is take a handful of raisins, soak them overnight. In the early morning when you get up, take that raisins which are soaked overnight in the empty stomach in the morning. The second tip is you can take gulkand which is prepared out of rose petals. And the third tip is take 5 grams of coriander seeds, 5 grams of amlaki powder, make a decoction out of them by boiling and filter it and drink it in the morning 7 am and in the evening 7 pm. Also what you can do simply is you can take milk which is refrigerated, that is you can take cold milk added with a little jaggery and little elaichi powder. The third most common presenting complaint in a pregnant woman is nausea or vomiting sensation, or which in other terms called as morning sickness. For this what you can do is take a bowl, small bowl, add 2 spoons of lemon juice, 2 spoons of honey, 1 spoon of sugar, half spoon of elaichi powder and half spoon of ginger powder. Mix all these things properly and lick it when you feel nausea. The second important thing what you can do is you can chew on 2 small cloves or 1 big elaichi. The fourth common presenting complaint of pregnant women related to the gastrointestinal tract is either diarrhea, which is watery, or mucoid. When it is not associated with fever, then you can use the home remedies what I am giving to you today. The first thing you can do is you can just take a spoonful of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, swallow them with water. The other thing what you can do is take mustard seeds, dry roast them on a pan to black so that all the mustard seeds should turn black. After they have turned completely black, remove them from the stove and make them into fine powder. Only half spoon of this mustard powder, that is black mustard powder, taken with honey cures you of this diarrhea. The other thing what you can do is because diarrhea is always associated with the dehydration, frequent sipping of buttermilk, frequent sipping of rice gruel, where only 2 spoons of rice is boiled with lot of water, and after the rice is properly boiled you can filter out the water from the rice and add little salt, and frequent sipping of this rice water and frequent sipping of buttermilk helps you a lot. The other most common presenting complaint of a pregnant woman is constipation. Constipation is seen in many women. So related to this, what you can do is definitely regular consumption of melons, that is either watermelon or muskmelon, and number 2, regular consumption of cucumber, and number 3, regular consumption of pumpkin. All these 3 vegetables, if consumed on every alternate day, definitely will get relieved of this constipation. Other than that, no medicine should be used for constipation in the pregnant woman. Apart from this, if this constipation leads to piles in pregnant women, what you can do is take a tub full of warm water, add little salt in that warm water, and do sedge bath. You will get a photograph of what sedge bath is here. So you can follow the technique and get relieved of the inflammation or the pain related to the piles. Also, you can use ice packs for the piles. What you have to do is take a cloth, fill it with ice cubes, tie it properly, and you can keep it on the floor, and you can sit on that ice packs, or you can use them locally for relief from the piles. Also, you can take the vegetable called yam regularly. Okay, so during this lockdown period, for all the small problems, you cannot go out and visit a doctor. So for all these things, you can have solution sitting in your home itself. Do watch this video and share this video with all the pregnant women, and 3-4 more videos are coming which are related with respiratory tract presenting problems in pregnancy, and urinary tract presenting problems in pregnancy, and also white discharge in pregnancy. So all the series of videos are coming, so share it with all the pregnant women. Thank you.